Thinking about selling your home next spring? Here's why you should start the process now. Hi, I'm Mr. Anderson, your trusted realtor in Frisco, and I am here to make sure you're not just ready for the spring market, you are ahead of it. Many sellers wait until spring to list their homes, but here's the insider secret. Starting now gives you a huge advantage. By preparing your home early, we can address any repairs, make simple upgrades, and create a powerful marketing strategy that will attract the right buyer as soon as the market heats up. Preparing early means more than just a fresh coat of paint. It's about positioning your home to sell for top dollar. I'll work with you on everything from optimizing curb appeal to professional photography and staging, and creating an online buzz that ensures your home stands out from the crowd. By reaching out now, we can also take advantage of current market trends, knowing what's happening in your neighborhood over the winter allows us to price your home competitively when the time comes. No last minute rush or missed opportunities. Thinking of moving in the spring? Don't wait until the last minute. Reach out today. Let's start building your plan for a successful sale. And if you have any questions about timing, market trend, or how to maximize sales, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out, or contact me directly. Bye for now.